Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Come early next year, Jamaicans who prefer a cashless lifestyle will be given another option to do business with the rollout of the Bank of Jamaica's central bank digital currency, CBDC. But it's not to be confused with cryptocurrency. Andrew Laidley has the details.
Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular digital currencies worldwide. They are both privately issued and not backed by a central authority. Jamaica's central bank digital currency will be different. It will be solely issued and regulated by the Bank of Jamaica. In a statement, the BOJ said CBDC will not be a cost to consumers and will be a full complement to banknotes and coins issued by BOJ. That means both CBDC and physical notes and coins will coexist in the payment space. The central bank explained that CBDC will have the major aspects of money, with the only significant difference being that it is an alternative to cash to be used primarily for transactions. Also, it will not attract interest when stored in any account. As legal tender, CBDC can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis with physical cash, but it is only for domestic use. BOJ will issue CBDCs to all deposit-taking institutions, and these entities will distribute CBDCs to the retail market. In order to use CBDC, consumers will need to have a CBDC account, which will be different from a regular bank account with simplified Know Your Customer requirements. To carry out transactions, consumers must download and deploy a mobile wallet app on any smartphone, tablet, or similar compatible device. Customers will also be able to top up their CBDC accounts through all authorized agents or smart ABMs. To prepare for the introduction of CBDC in early 2022, a pilot CBDC solution will be tested in the Bank of Jamaica's FinTech Regulatory Sandbox between May and December this year. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, the Bank of Jamaica has announced that the provider for its central bank digital currency will be eCurrency Mint Incorporated. The BOJ says the company was selected after an extensive procurement process. The technology provider will support the central bank during the pilot phase as well as the national rollout. Now, we go now to currency trading, where the US dollar ended the day selling for $146.35. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.08. The pound sterling is going for $201.47, while the euro closed the day at $176.85. The JSE index lost 1,972 points today, while the junior market index gained 35 points. Among the winners were Indies Pharma, Everything Fresh, Epley 8.75%, Dolphin Cove, and Express Catering. On the losing side were Siboney Group, CAC 2000 9.5%, Blue Power, Medicals, Disposables and Supplies, and Margaritaville US dollar shares. And that's it for the business day. International news when we return.